shows that you've hosted and things?
I was doing a show in Delhi for a bit. That was a musical show that I was doing. It's called Zangura. It's in Gurgaon. It's a beautiful place called Kingdom of Dreams, which I was a part for the past 4 years. And I've been actually doing that. Is why you've not really seen me on television for a long time. And it's so to say, the first Broadway show of India. And I'm just honored that I was a part of it, to be one of the first ones.
So is it over? Is it still?
It's still on. It's still on. I do at times. I go there. I do weekend shows. But Pele, I had to give a lot of time to it. Right now, I have a time. I have some time on hand. Is why you can participate in shows like Khatro Ke Khiladi.
So how long did it take for you to say yes to the program?
Took me a few years, I think. I was also approached for the show before, and I could not. At that point of time, I was point blank. I was like, no, 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 this, and I was actually finding reasons to say no. So this time, unfortunately, I didn't have any reason to say no. I last time, I would come up with something or the other कि नहीं यार ये डेट का इशू है, इसका इशू है, ये कर रहा हूँ, वो कर रहा हूँ, बना भी देता था. लेकिन इस बार मैंने सोचा कि नहीं यार, कुछ है ही नहीं, रीज़न नहीं है और क्यों नहीं करना है. प्रॉब्लम क्या मतलब है, प्रॉब्लम है, डर लगेगा, थोड़ी बैंड बजेगी, सबकी बजती है, तुम्हारी भी बजेगी, करो.
What scares you the most?
I get scared by anything that you see on television right now in Khatro Ke Khiladi. Any task that you see, it's scary. तो डर से भी डर लगता है इंसान को, ऐसा है. एंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज ऑल द टास्क जो भी वो दिखा रहे हैं आपको, इधर इज इट्स नॉट, यू डोंट इवन हैव इनफ टाइम टू स्टडी इट. आपको वही टाइम पे दिखाया जाता है, वही टाइम पे आपको करना है और बस करना है. आप ज़्यादा सोच नहीं सकते हो उसके बारे में, प्रिपेयर नहीं कर सकते हो, तैयार नहीं कर सकते हो, तो करके कोई फ़ायदा भी नहीं है. बिकॉज आपको पता ही नहीं कि क्या होने वाला और क्या लोग क्या दिखाएंगे आपको वहाँ पर, और आप खुद कैसा परफॉर्म करेंगे. यू हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट.
One task that you'd like to give Rohit Shetty?
One task that I would like to give Rohit Shetty. I think for the kind of personality that he really comes across, मेरे ख्याल से वो कोई भी टास्क हमसे तो आसानी से कर ही लेंगे, क्योंकि उनका एक एक्शन से और डर से और इस तरह का जो ये माहौल है खतरों के खिलाड़ी, उससे बहुत उनका अच्छा खासा रिश्ता रहा है. एक्शन फिल्म्स करते हैं, बहुत बढ़िया वाली अच्छी फिल्म्स करते हैं वो. तो अगर उन्हें कोई मुझे टास्क देना तो मेरे ख्याल से मैं इतना ही कर सकता हूँ कि जब कोई ऐसा एक टास्क दिखे कि ये तो यार ये कोई इंसान कैसे कर सकता, तो मैं सर एग्जाम्पल के लिए एक बार करके दिखा दो बस.
We're going to hear from what exactly are you packing?
Well, I am just trying to pack my mind with that spirit and telling me that I have to go ahead and just do it. That's the only thing that I think the only thing that you really require there is got to be mentally very, very strong.
And what does Tina have to say about this?
When we were approached for the show, we both were approached for the show, and she said, "I will not do it, but you will do it." So, and apart from her, there is no other single family member of mine who's happy with my decision. But she's the only one who's backing me and saying that no, you go ahead, do the show.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.